Welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. We just cooked a delicious, amazing pork butt. Want to see how we did that? Click down in this, look in the description or iCard, wherever for that video. It was an amazing cook. We cooked it in about 5 hours using this pretty cool method where we split it in half. But that was last video. Now this is this video. Now this is all about how do you use that meat? How do you preserve that meat for future use? Because sadly, I can't eat all that by myself in one sitting. Who knew? Who knew? So we have a couple.
Can help you.
What's that?
Benny can help you.
Our dog could help me. I don't think he needs to eat 9 pounds of pork butt in one sitting. Yeah. So anyway, a couple different methods for preserving food long term. So the big I'd say trending thing right now is meal prepping or meal prep, hashtag meal prep, whatever. So that's what you see a lot going on right now. Is they'll take one day, make 5 meals for the whole week for lunch, and then go and use that. We have that is an option too. We'll do that here in a little bit, but I want the sous chef to go and to show what she does to keep meats and stuff cold for her. So go ahead, kiddo.
So when I pack my lunches for school, I have little containers full of food, and then if it has like meat or cheese or anything else that needs to be cold, I have these ice packs in it. They are.
And so in this ice pack, it sits so the food's in here, right? And so how does this ice pack fit in this container right there?
There's 2 latches on either side.
Okay.
And then you just press it in there like that.
Like
and
that.
it'll make a loud noise.
A loud noise, yeah.
And then you do the same for the circle one. There's
Okay.
2 on either side, and you just do that.
So you don't even have to put your containers in the fridge, right? You can just keep them in your lunchbox, and then just pull it out right then. Right?
But we do have to put these in the freezer so they stay cold.
Oh, that's true. So before you actually have to meal prep, you put those in the freezer.
Mm-hmm.
How long do you have to keep in the freezer? Do you think?
I don't know.
Probably just a half hour, maybe an hour.
I would say a few hours.
A few hours, yeah. So I think once you're done, like maybe with the day, that afternoon, you clean out the container and put it in the freezer for the next time you want to use it. It's a great way to keep your meat, whatever, or your food cold while you are before you eat it. That's where you make sure it's going to be safe.
On the lids here, they say Fido Fresh.
Yeah, the brand we have is Fido Fresh. Pretty good containers that we use. She's used them for years now. It's worked really well all the time. So we have one more, before we get into the food, we do have one more option to keep things cold. And do you want me to talk about this one?
Nothing.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Nothing. They also have measurements on the side. It's like one cup, this many milliliters, 2 cups, and the ice pack is non-toxic.
Blue Slurpee pouch.
I think how you like take it out is you like press your finger in here and then you like try and take it out like that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think you might break it because you got to pull the latch back, right there.
Pull the latch back, and yeah,
Yeah, there's a spot for your finger to pull. There you go.
yeah, you just pull the latch back and it'll pop up.
Perfect. Should we leave? I'm not sure if these are still available in this brand, but we'll leave a link in the description for you to look at that when you're if you want to look into that.
And they come in many different colors. Also, there's like this half circle one.
That's true.
It doesn't come with an ice pack, I don't think, but
Yeah, so maybe you put like crackers or Oreos or something like that in there.
yeah.
Some cookies or something. Okay. And now I think we can go on. So are you good with this one? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is for food. Is there anything we have to keep a drink cold without ice though?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that?
These are called rocks.
Rocks.
They have a dot in between each letter. And after.
Yep.
Yeah. They are like little stone stone little.
Oh, yeah, I mean they're stones, right?
They're like little stones. You also put them in the freezer, but when you want to keep your drink cold and you don't like have ice or you don't want ice, you could just stick this in your drink and it'll keep it cold.
Okay, well, so while we have it out, we might as well try it, right? So, put 2 in there and we can give it a shot.
And come in a lot of drink.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, there you go. So that's going to keep so as well. These also stay in the freezer until you are ready to use them.
They're a little heavy, but not too.
Pretty heavy, yeah. So I mean, there's.
Well, I don't know.
So this is not really for you, but more for me. So that's gonna stay cold. That's gonna start getting cold, of course, because it is a frozen object.
Looks like huge. And they come in a 6 pack.
Yeah,
six pack.
Exactly. So we have a 6-pack. I'm sure they come in bigger or smaller, depending on what you need. We definitely have the 6-pack, and we enjoy that a lot. So the thing I use primarily for meal prepping at work are going to be these black containers. So this little girl here says whenever she sees these, she thinks of
Panda Express.
Panda Express. Good.
Because they like come in the little.
Yeah, like we get. Yeah, exactly.
Like black containers with or something like that.
Yeah, the black containers. So what I did is, I think I only have 4 right here, but we did. I'll get 5, or because there's 5 work days in a week, we'll get 5 in a row, line them up, and put whatever meat, whatever vegetable, whatever you have in here. So I think for this next week, we are just gonna do.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. She's gonna have to get something. But for this week, we're just gonna use the pulled pork. So I'm gonna bring that to work, and then I can bring. Monday I can bring all these 4 into work and put them in the fridge, and they'll sit there all week and be just fine. 5 days or 6 days in the fridge won't be. I'm not too concerned about meat like that at all. Or if you are concerned, you can put it in the freezer. Maybe the last 2, Thursday and Friday, in the freezer, and you'll be good there too. She's back. She's going to try one of the rocks.
Please.
She has water.
Yeah.
Water. Yeah.
Because orange juice and milk are in the fridge.
Yeah.
And
so you wanted just to see what the water would do to the frozen stone. Go ahead if you want to use it.
What?
Go ahead.
Should have put these in first, then put the water. Put some more water. Didn't realize how warm I put it.
All right, we'll stop belaboring the point. This is gonna sit here for a little bit while we start filling up these trays with the pulled pork, and then we'll come back to you. This is some of the extra liquid or finishing sauce from the cook. No barbecue sauce, just the sauce. The liquid came off of the cook itself. So this is just liquid gold, like we could call it in the barbecue field. And there we go. We have, I think we have 3 here, but we are going to have 5 total for the work week to take to work and eat delicious pulled pork all throughout the week at work. And the best part is about this, not only do I get to eat delicious pulled pork throughout the week, my coworkers get to smell the pulled pork I'm eating throughout the week. Is that cruel and unusual punishment? Well, you tell me. So actually, while we're seeing this is cooled down a little bit. How's yours, kiddo? Not yet. Maybe give it a few more minutes. Again, this is
it's warmer water than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that's okay.
When I felt it from this.
Well, because the volume of the object is displacing water as it comes in. So it's just like an ice cube, right? But ice cubes float, so not as much water gets displaced. Science.
So
Crazy. Exactly. And heat gets dissipated. Crazy stuff.
Anyway, it looks cool when you're drinking it.
It does look cool when you drink, huh?
Slides around, makes some noise.
Thanks.
Still good.
It's still water. Anything else to say, kiddo?
No.
No. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We hope you learned something in this. Again, any questions, please let me know, or please let her know. And as always, keep those questions coming in because we love answering them. Can't wait to do another Q&A video. Go ahead. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Please come.
Thanks for watching. Please, please put questions down in the comments if you have any. Keep barbecuing America.
Cheers. Thanks, everybody.